What up, guys? I want to share something with you guys. You guys see these programs coming out now? The cash in the mailbox cash, or whatever they're calling it. We've been doing this since last year, guys. We've been doing this since last year. Here's a question I want to ask you. $100,000 in 30 days. $100,000 in 30 days, guys. Here's the way we do it. We actually have a $2,000 product. We don't do the $25. We don't mess around with that little chicken change, guys. We don't mess around with the $100 bills, none of that stuff. We have a $2,000 product that we actually sell, and it's all cash. Everybody, they do send cash in the mail, guys, with FedEx. We have them FedEx. There's some of them right there. Got a whole bunch more. I didn't feel like dragging them all out, but anyway, $100,000 cash. Here's what I want to ask you, though. Would that change your life, guys? Look, I'm going to explain it to you real quick. So simple to make money online. So simple. Especially now, guys. If you guys don't realize what's going on now, the cash in the mailbox stuff, that is the next Hype of the Month club. You guys know that there's about every 6 months, there's a Hype of the Month club, right? I think we just got done with CBD oil thing, right? That was the latest one, right? Now that's going to start dying down. You'll see that dying down just like it always does, guys. After about 3 months, when people jump in these Hype of the Month clubs, and then they see how kind of, hey, I got to go to work. And then they die down after that, right? They get all excited and hype, but then when they get involved, they die down about after 3 months when they find out they actually have to go to work. Now, the next Hype of the Month club, guys, listen to me carefully, is cash in the mailbox. Now, we've been doing this since last year. I created a $2,000 cash program, affiliate program. And so you want to be here. Now's the time, my point, guys. Now's the time you want to be in the hottest stuff at the very beginning. That is true. But now, obviously, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. They always fade out. They always do. There's always something about every 6 months. There's a new one that comes in that kind of takes over a place. Now, I think the cash in the mailbox is going to last for a little while. Okay? So here's what you need to do. You need to get back with the person that actually put this video for you, that gave you this video. Whoever gave you this video, guys, go back to the messenger, say, hey, I'm in. Here's what we do. I'm going to explain it to you. Guys, so simple. It's only 50 people giving you $2,000 in a 30-day period. Now, we have a unique twist. That's the difference between what all these other cats are doing right now. God bless them, guys. But there's twists. First, you got to have a software because you got to have traffic. You got to find some good traffic, guys. We use a traffic software. I'm going to give you the traffic software. If you come in our program, our cash mailbox program, I'll give you software. Give you software, guys. In about 30 days, go buy you an $85,000 Rover. This is an $85,000 truck, guys. My Hummer's a $65,000 truck. Beamer, Ferrari, saltwater boat, four-wheelers, freaking jet skis, guys. I've been living this life for a while, guys. I don't know if you've noticed me on Facebook. Please don't take this as arrogance, because I'm really not trying to be arrogant. It's just that, come on, guys. Year after year after year, it's the same old stuff. I keep seeing you guys fall for these MLM programs, man. MLM is a toughie. God bless MLM, man. It makes sense, but that is a toughie. Sell products, guys. Just sell products right out. Okay, not gonna drag us out. $100,000. I'm gonna show you how to do $100,000 in 30 days. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. It's only 50 people. Now, the only reason why you're gonna do this, let me tell you right up front. The only reason why you'll pull off 100,000 is two things. We have a traffic software that's going to get you the traffic. I actually know where these people are, guys. I know where the $2,000 clients are. Not everybody's got $2,000, but I know where they are and how they can get it. I actually know how. I'm going to explain all that to you. Okay. Now, there's another twist. I have a unique twist. I'm not going to tell you guys on this video, but if you're interested, get back with the person and we're going to actually show you that twist. I'll show you the unique twist. We don't do it like the other people, guys. That's the reason why we can go to the mailbox and freaking just do what you're about to see. In fact, I'll shut up right now. Coming up next, guys, I'll actually share with you some of the videos of opening the cash and all that, just to give you guys proof that this is real. This isn't fake. This is the hottest thing going right now, guys. Listen to me. Listen to me. Do not miss the boat on this one, okay? Do not miss the boat on this one. All you got to do is get back with the person that gave you this video, message them back, say, hey, I'm in, give me step 2. I want step 2. Give me step 2. What do I need to do now? All right, you good? All right, guys. We'll see. Come on, guys. Don't miss the boat. 3 of them. 1, Shoot. 3. I got 3 of them today, guys. So that's basically, should be $6,000. Let's see how simple this is. Just go to the post office, collect your money, guys. Ain't hard to do. Kind of a simple program. Go back, get in your Ferrari, your Hummer, whatever you want to get in. And we'll open these up later on, guys, in the Hummer. I got something I got to do this morning, though. But we'll open them up later. All right, love you guys. Come get you some of this free money, guys. Okay, just went to the post office box. So I got 3 more packages today. We got plenty more coming, guys. Overdue with one hand, and I'm learning this. So, you know, I want to give you guys proof that this is work. Now, this is yours, Michael. This is from Michael. Michael wanted me to open up his in the Hummer, so I'm in the Hummer. Open it. That was one of his requests. So, open it up. Look inside. All right, we got a magazine. All right, so what we do, guys, we just basically put it in a magazine, and then inside the magazine should be an envelope with cash. Oop, didn't have an envelope. It's all cash. Okay, there we go. Cool. All right, so there's 2,000. Yeah. All right, $2,000 for you guys. All right, guys. Now, this is not for the haters to start coming out acting crazy, guys. The only reason why we're showing proof, I mean, anybody, any knucklehead guys can do fake screenshots on what they sell and how they're, you know, this is it. I'm showing you proof. Will they truly send cash in the mail? Ironically, it starts chasing you. Instead of you chasing it, guys, it literally will start chasing you. Now, I've got training videos. Hey, guys, real quick. So I know Marky would kill me if I didn't open up hers on the video, so let's do this real quick for Marky. This is this just came from Marky's right here. Marky, love you. You freaking just rock. She's a believer, guys. She has so much faith in these programs. It's awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna tear it up here. I'm trying to hold it fast. God, this is. Don't tear the money. Don't tear the cash, Vic. Okay, I'm just going for it now. I'll just rip that open. It's $4,000. See what we got fish today. Two more. Product for? We're selling the product for $2,000, right? I am going to figure out a different way, guys, to open up these packages, because this is actually, I'm doing this for you guys. This is actually hard to do. What is this? That's the car you want, Steve? Cadillac. All right, so they basically take them. Oh, that's a magazine. Never mind. Oh, magazine. Cool. They take a magazine, guys, and we're putting monies in the magazine. All right, so you put it, I guess, 2 different envelopes. Gonna make it harder for me. All right. Or did you send double the amount? That'd be cool. You guys want to send double the amount? That'd be fine too. All right, let's see. Okay, oh, come on. All right, let's find out. Let's find out what's going on here. All right. Oh, this is so tough. All right, I'm just gonna rip it open. All right, there's the money. You guys can see the money. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's 1,000, guys. Now let's open up the other one. Okay, so basically, I take it you did 1,000 in both envelopes. This is getting old. I gotta get some mounted camera, guys. All right, I'm actually not going to count that way. Well, let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's another 1,000. All right, guys, there's proof video from Steve's $2 grand, guys. Now, guys, we're doing these proof videos For two reasons. One, to make the haters and the trolls go psycho. These guys are taking these screenshots. Okay, guys, this isn't fake. This is really, really, really the program working. And another reason, guys, we're doing this testimonial videos is to show you the proof, guys. This works, guys. Speaking about that. All right, we got too much money, guys. We just gonna freaking lose it over, ain't we? Gonna lose it all. That's it, guys. There's $4 grand right there today. Just fishing is all we're doing, guys. All we're doing is fishing. Love you guys. The link below this video, guys, if you're interested in. All right, guys, going fishing again. See if we caught the fish today. See if we got any fish today. Yeah. 2. 3 of them. 3. Morning, guys. Got some more fish. Went fishing at the mailbox again today. 3 more track packages. That's $6 more $1,000, guys, in cash today. We're gonna open them up, give you guys proof. Money, right? Money's no big deal to me anymore, guys. I'm doing this for you guys. Do you understand that? I put this program together for you guys. Don't you guys know that I'm about to get raked over the coals? Let's talk about that for a second. Don't you guys know that I'm about to get raked over the coals by putting this all cash? No? Cool. All right, I did it with my mouth and I tore a $100 bill. All right, don't do that, guys. Don't do it don't tear your money. All right, that got tore. Sorry about that. Here's $1,900 minus the one that's tore. Should I put that on video? Destroying government property. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, what's up, guys? This one actually came from Austria. I had to come to UPS store to get this one. Somehow it's international, but it became when I show them. Oh, when this cash pulls out. Oh yeah, popcorn. Check it out. There's the magazine, guys, that he put in his video. There's the envelope. All right, I'm not gonna actually count it, guys, because people just pull it beside me. But there it is. $2 grand. It's in there. All $2,100 bills. And if you can hear them. Here, looking over here. Okay, they're gone now. I'll take it out. All right, there, guys. There's you can count them. Pause the video if you want to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hey, guys, see if you can hear this Lambo. All right, guys, this is 99 Pro. We got 2 more packages today. Went fishing at the mailbox. Got 2 more. Caught 2 more fish, guys. Right? Not that we're calling people fish, but you guys understand the whatever. Come on, Canada. This is yours, Donna. This is for Donna from Canada. Oh, that's right. We saw the package that she did, didn't we? All right, let's see here. I'm gonna just tear that open right there. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to do the stupid camera and my hand hit the off button. I'm gonna eventually figure out. I mean, if I can program software, guys, I can eventually figure out how to. All right, there's the Donna's cash. I can eventually figure out how to daggone do a proof video without having to use one hand, huh? All right, guys, there's $2 grand in there. Cash. So once again, guys, this is all cash affiliate program, high ticket affiliate program. We basically all are selling a 2,000 product guide created for you guys. For you guys that are interested in selling a $2,000 product, you can through my high ticket affiliate program, guys, and get commissions for it. All right, which kind of threw me off. I don't know if she was just really curious. There it is. Okay. All right, this is yours, Phillips. Okay, guys, here's another sale proof. Anyway, I told her I worked online, and she said, "Oh, okay." I said, "Why, is there a problem?" She said, "No, you're just getting a lot of these packages. I just didn't know. I was just curious." That's what she said. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, whatever, man. I can't count this, guys, with one hand. Okay, so there's another $2 grand, guys. It does work. People really do buy products online, guys. They really do. I mean, it's just how it works. It's a simple program, guys. Simple concept. You know, we just sell product. I'll open it right now. Come on. This is so hard to do with one hand. Oh, you got it. Come on. Get out there. All right, this is the, don't do the proof video, guys, real quick. And then we're going to do pray, and we're going to pray for Linda. Linda's actually having something wrong with her. Jesus is going to heal her today. Show you. Okay, that's it. All right. She came into the program, guys. She's a $2,000 member. Once again, guys, this is real. This is not fake. You can't screenshot, guys. Isn't it cool how some of us marketers don't have to do fake screenshots? Shh, don't tell nobody. Hey, what's up, guys? All right, I'm just going to deposit this in the bank. I actually wanted to keep stacking it up, guys, to show you guys that this was real. Those are all hundreds of dollar bills, guys. Anybody guess how much that is? That's a lot, isn't it? All right, look, here's what I want you to do. Here, just in case you guys, there's no 20s or anything in there. It's all hundreds. This is all cash affiliate program, guys. And we got a video showing you guys what we're doing and why we're doing cash instead of running. You know, you don't want to run hundreds of thousands of dollars through your merchant account, guys. Don't let this kind of cash scare you either, guys. Don't let it scare you. It's not that big of a deal. I don't care if it's all fell out the window.